Hello everyone, I'm Raki and today in this session I'm going to discuss question number 4.6 and it's on page number 130 of NCERT text chapter 4 chemical bonding and molecular structure class 11. So let's see what the question is. Question is write the favorable factors for the formation of ionic bond. So we need to write the favorable conditions of the factors for the formation of ionic bond. So what is first of all tell me ionic bond is? See ionic bond, how ionic bond is made up? किस तरह से ionic bond बनता है? See ionic bond is made or it is formed by the transference of valence electron from one atom to the another atom. ठीक है, so please have a look over here. An ionic bond is formed by the transfer of one or more electrons from one atom to the another atom. Hence, the formation of ionic bond depends upon the what? Depends upon the ease with which the neutral atoms can lose or gain electrons. So, जो ionic bond की formation है, it depends upon the ease with which the neutral atoms can lose or gain electrons. Fine. So factors, favorable factors for ionic bond formations are as follows: low ionization enthalpy of metal atom, high electron gain enthalpy of non-metal atom. ठीक है? So low ionization enthalpy किसकी? Metal atom की, और high इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी किसकी? नॉन मेटल एटम की. हाई लैटिस एंथैल्पी ऑफ द कंपाउंड formed. So these are the three favorable conditions: low ionization enthalpy of the metal atom, high electron gain enthalpy of the non-metal atom, and high lattice enthalpy of the compound so formed. So these are the three favorable conditions for the formation of ionic bond, and moreover you need to know the formation of ionic bond is dependent upon the ease with which the neutral atom, कोई भी neutral atom हो, lose or gain electrons. Fine. So please do remember these three favorable conditions. Number one, low ionization enthalpy of the metal atom, high electron gain enthalpy of non-metal atom, and third, high lattice enthalpy of the compound so formed up. So it was it for this question, and if you are having any doubt, then please do write your doubts to me in the space given below. Well, do not forget to watch the next video for the next question of this chapter and to subscribe to us. Till then, take care and goodbye.